Good day, everyone. We are Group 3, and today we will discussing 4 M's of operations about business opportunity and developing a business model. Before we begin, let's us first introduce ourselves. I'm Zarina Conde.
I am Norfel Ramirez.
I am Glenn Probadora.
I'm Argel Rie Balisa.
I'm Lance GSC Barlisto.
I'm Helen Joy Buenos.
Princess Naomi R.
This topic will help us understand how entrepreneurs identify business opportunities, manage their operations, and develop a business model for a long-term success. The 4 M's of operations, manpower, machines, and materials serve as foundation of efficient business operations. And these operations help ensure that products and services are produced with quality and consistency and efficiency. Together with a well-developed business model, they enable businesses to meet customer needs, remain competitive, and achieve long-term success. For our objectives, before we proceed to our discussion, let's us first look at the objectives of our presentation. By the end of this presentation, we aim to help everyone understand what a business opportunity and a business model. Explain the 4 elements of the 4 M's operations, recognize their importance in business success, and apply these concepts through real life example. Now that we have discussed our objectives, let's begin by defining what the operation management.
Okay, so what is operations management? Operations management is the process of planning, organizing, and managing a business's daily operations. It helps ensure that products or services are delivered efficiently, resources are used wisely, and customer needs are met. So, mayroong tatlong layunin tong operations management. So, first is yung mabilis, mura at maganda yung quality. So ibig sabihin dapat mabilis matapos ang trabaho. Next is mababa ang gastos pero hindi nababawasan yung kalidad ng product. So sa madaling salita, yung operations management is yung nagpapaandar ng negosyo para ito yung maging efficient at kumita ng maayos.
Ah, sa slide na to, what is business opportunity? First of all, what is business? Ang business ay yung paggawa, pagbili, uh, pagbenta ng mga services o gamit na kailangan ng mga tao. Usually for daily necessities, snacks, food, beverages, shampoo, na kailangan ng mga tao. And what is business opportunity? Ang business opportunity is a chance to start or grow a business by providing products or services or want that people need or want. For example, during rainy season, many people would need umbrellas or raincoats. So, I will take rainy season as an opportunity para mapalago ko yung business ko. And why is business opportunity important? Importante ito kasi it helps people earn income, it creates jobs, it solves customers' problems or meets their need, and it also contributes to the economy. Next slide.
So in this slide, it shows the four M's of operation. So there's manpower, machine, materials, and method. These four elements work together to produce a good quality product. So first, what is manpower? Manpower refers to the people or workers involved in making the product. Their skill, knowledge, and teamwork are important because they help ensure that the product is made correctly and efficiently. So yung manpower daw po, ito yung workers o yung people na gumagawa ng product. Their skills, knowledge, and teamwork is importante kasi it helps ensure yung paggawa ng product tapos kailangan rin correctly yun. So second is machine. Machine are the equipment used during production. Using the right machine makes the work faster, more accurate, and helps improve the quality of the final product. So yung machine, ito yung paggawa ng product. Ito yung machine na paggawa ng product para mas more accurate siya and helps improve the quality. So third is material. Materials are the raw item needed to create the product. The quality, cost, and availability of these materials directly affect the final output. Good materials result in a better quality. So yung material daw po, ito yung materials na ginagamit para magawa yung product. The quality, tas yung cost niya. So lastly is method. Method is the process or step-by-step procedure followed to make the product. And a well-planned method helps make production smooth, organized, and efficient while reducing mistake. So yung method, ito yung step-by-step procedure or ito yung plan para magawa yung product. So in conclusion, the four M's of operations are all connected. If one of these is weak, it can affect the quality of the product. But when manpower, machine, materials, and method work together effectively, the result is a high quality product and an efficient product process. So moving on to next.
Relationship of 4M's operations. Ang 4M's of operation po is yung manpower, methods, machine, at materials. Sila po yung magkakaugnay kasi sama-sama po sila nagtutulungan upang maging mahusay at maging epektibo ang pagpapatakbo ng isang negosyo. Bawat isa po ay may kanya-kanyang tungkulin, ngunit hindi po nila lubos na magagampanan yung mga papel na yun kung wala pong suporta ng iba pang element, which is kung ano man po yung kulang sa apat na yon, hindi po magiging effective or malabo po yung pagpapatakbo ng isang negosyo. Halimbawa po, ang manpower ay tumutukoy sa mga taong nagtatrabaho. Ginagamit nila yung mga machines or kagamitan habang sinusunod po nila yung tamang methods or tamang process upang gawing tapos na produkto or serbisyo yung mga materials or hilaw na sangkap. Kapag may isang operation na kulang or hindi maayos ang pamamahala, maaari po itong makaapekto sa kalidad ng produkto at sa kabuuang produktibidad ng negosyo. Dahil doon, mahalagang mapanatili ng isang negosyo ang tamang balance sa apat na operations na iyon. Kapag po ang tamang tao ay gumagamit ng tamang kagamitan, sumusunod sa tamang proseso at gumagamit ng dekalidad na materyales, mas nagiging mahusay po ang operasyon ng negosyo. Mas natutugunan ang pangangailangan ng mga customer at mas malaki ang posibilidad na magtagumpay ito ng pangmatagalan.
Real life business example.
Anne noticed that many people in her community buy fresh bread every day. He saw it as a business opportunity and decided to open a small bakery. To run her business, she used the 4 M's of operation: manpower, method, machine, and materials. Sa example po na to, ang 4 M's of operation sa business ni Anne, first is the manpower. Ito yung mga taong natulong o nagpapatakbo ng business tulad ng mga master baker, assistant baker, at cashier. Second is method. Dito naman ang mga tamang process ng mga paggawa ng tinapay at tamang pagpatakbo ng business, tulad ng pagsunod sa standard recipe, tamang proofing time, tamang baking temperature at paggamit ng FIFO system. Third is machine. Ito naman ang mga kagamitan tulad ng mga oven, dough mixer, dough roller, display showcase, at POS cash register. And lastly, ang materials. Ito ang mga sangkap at supplies na ginagamit tulad ng flour, yeast, sugar, butter, eggs, water, at bread packaging. Lahat ng ito ay important para maging maayos ang operation ng bakery at maging successful ang business. Next.
For our summary and conclusion, a business model, entrepreneurs define how the business creates value, delivers products or services, and generates profit. A well-designed business model aligns the 4 M's customer demands, operational efficiency, and financial goals, enabling the business to achieve long-term growth and success. At the same time, developing a clear business model allows entrepreneurs to understand how their business will create value, serve customers, and generate revenue. When these concepts are integrated, they provide a strong foundation for informed decision-making, sustainable growth, and long-term competitiveness. For our closing remarks, every successful business begins with the proper planning and effective operations. 4 M's help ensure that our resources are managed efficiently, while the business model provides a clear direction on how the business creates value and earns profit. By combining these two concepts, entrepreneurs can build a business that is not only profitable but also sustainable and competitive. That's our presentation. Thank you.